name is Katya. I'm an Encode Club student. And I'm here to meet the team and to pass some workshops. I like mostly technical workshops as I am a developer. That's my chance to meet different teams and to talk to them, and to get some more technical information.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So Threshold.network is sponsoring one of the bounties, and we hosted a workshop on Monday. So the most exciting thing was walking in the door today and having some of the hackers have questions. It was exhilarating.
Today was great because I got to showcase Scaffold ETH and the graph integration together, and how it's really, really simple to actually get up and running and build on Ethereum using Yarn Package Manager, using the Scaffold ETH repository, and using a solution that's all built in Docker. You can run an entire application locally on your machine, and that was really cool to see some developers actually take that and use that for their applications in the future.